Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall from MakeMoneyOnline-niches.com. There will be a link to that in the description box below this video. Now today I am bringing you a video review for a product called Delta. Now Delta goes live today on the 21st of November, Sunday the 21st of November at 11 AM EST. Now that is 4 PM in the UK and 5 PM in Spain or Europe. So basically we're going to take a look at the sales page for Delta and then have a look at my bonus page and the bonuses I have available if you decide to pick up Delta through my link, which will be the first link in the description box below the video. And we can go over, have a look at the dashboard and what is inside of Delta. It is a training and a software, and it's all about generating traffic and earning more commissions. So let's have a look at the creators, or who are the creators of Delta, and then we'll have a look at the sales page. So let's do that now. Okay, so here we are on the sales page, on the page for Delta, and these are the product creators, Billy Daw, Finn Goswami and Justin Opie, who are bringing you this product called Delta. Now let's have a look at the sales page and the claims that this product is making. Now, this product hasn't launched yet, so this is the page that you could land on before the product has been launched. So basically it's saying here, win a free copy of the brand new app that pays us as much as $21.63 an hour. And it's just a button there where you can click to confirm, and then probably you need to enter your email address. So let's have a look at the sales page, the review page. Now, as you can see, there is a exit pop, which means that you can get a $4 discount on the price on the front end for this product Delta. So we can just get rid of the exit pop, and then we've got the sales page for Delta. And there is a video sales on this sales page, and if you would like to take a better look and listen to the video, then I encourage you to click on my bonus link, which is in the description box below, and click through any button which will take you through to the sales page once this product is launched in live. Okay, so basically what they're saying here for Delta is it's basically a one button, forces Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp to pay $21.63 an hour without technical skills or upfront costs or an ounce of experience. Now, so basically this is their claims. You can do 21.63 guides included. 11 off the road folks made 8,000 more. It works as a side hustle, a full time, unlock your full potential. It can protect and provide for your family, travel, live your fullest life, zero risk, 365-day guarantee. So there's a lot of different claims within this sales page. Now, if you're looking for proof, this is the proofs that they've got here. So these are some of the earnings that they say they have made from using this particular training and software. And more proofs. And then it's saying how anybody can do it, and it's just a couple of easy steps. Step 1, activate, and step 2, relax. Well, I'm not quite sure that is exactly what is going to happen, but obviously we can take a look inside the dashboard and sort of have a little bit of an overview of what's going on. So this is basically the sales page. Now let's have a look at my bonus page and the bonuses I have available if you decide that Delta is a product that you want to pick up through my link. Right, so we need to get to the top. Now, so here's my bonus page. And obviously this is basically telling us what this can do, this app can do. It's a latest 3-in-1 money-making app. Tap into 3 sources of free traffic and sales. Like I say, it's Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, which is the 3 companies that are owned by the newly named Meta. So this app is basically exploiting a loophole for these 3 platforms. And it puts automation at your fingertips, basically. Now, there's 3 billion active users monthly on these platforms. So if this software is going to reach up to 3 billion active monthly users, then obviously there's the potential there to be earning money from that. And they're saying that this software has allowed themselves and their students to pocket this $21.63 an hour. Now let's have a look at the funnel and what the prices are for this particular product. So basically you've got a front end product starting at $17. You've got an upsell for $39, another upsell for $197, another upsell here for $39, another upsell for $197, and a further upsell for $39. Now, if you want to go through and read all of the information for these particular upgrades and upsells, then they are on my bonus page. As you can see here, you've got your funnel, the early bird price starting at $17, and it rises by 1 cent every 60 minutes. So the longer you wait, the more it's going to increase. So this is the one-click Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram app. Then you've got your upsell, like I say, limited edition. Then you've got the second upsell, the third upsell, the fourth upsell, the fifth upsell. And here are some of the key benefits. Pocketing the $21 an hour, leveraged messenger to blast links to billions of people. First to market this new software. Tap into Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp and check out the full features. So that is the benefits of Delta. Now there is a demonstration video which I have included on my bonus page. Now I have looked at this myself, and we can sort of get a little bit of an idea by having a quick look at this particular demonstration video. So there's one thing really that I want to say about having the demonstration video with a music background. It doesn't really help that they've got a music background and just this video that is going to basically point and click and point out it's a demonstration of the software. For me, this is not a demonstration of the software because it doesn't explain anything. It's just a mouse pointer going through the app, pointing and clicking on various things within the software, and it doesn't really give you any idea of how powerful or how irrelevant this software might be. So that's my first take on having a demonstration video with the music over. Anyway, we'll stop that. Because for me, it doesn't do anything to help. So the bonus I have for this particular product is the accelerate your Instagram traffic is the first bonus. And I have page builder tutorial is my second bonus. And learn how to get better conversions, which is my third bonus. And fourth, I have access to Goodwill, which was a product created by mistake, basically, when someone, I think it was Branson here, sent out his email with a gift offer because it was his birthday. And then he woke up to lots of sales and commissions a couple of days later, mainly because he'd sent out access to some freebies for his birthday. And then what happened, within the freebies he sent out, he'd forgotten that there were links to affiliate products, and that's how he made the commissions. So that's basically what goodwill is all about. Now, you would still receive all of the vendor bonuses if you decide to pick up this through my link. And that is my bonus page. And we've seen the sales page. Now let's have a look at the inside of the software for this product, Delta. Now obviously there is a section here for training. There's a section here for your profile. This part here is where you will get upgrades if you decided to purchase any of the upgrades. And this part here is their support, contact us and reset your password. And on this bottom section here, you've got the one button click, which is explained in the training. You've got the home button. Then you've got your messenger marketing. And then you've got your Facebook marketing, then you've got your Instagram marketing, and you've got WhatsApp marketing. Now, I did basically go over here and have a look at this section here, which is training. So if I just open that in another window, you can see that it says Delta here, and the training is videos, and access to various other videos are down this right hand side, which is saying connect your social accounts, which is the first video training. Then you've got email marketing, SMS marketing, the social media post creation, social media, automate everything, go live with Prime. There's two different sections there. Now what I will say is that obviously these videos are basically got a different name. Now this is saying Prime. So I think that this particular launch for Delta is a previous launch called Prime. Now I haven't been around this market for very long, so I haven't heard of Prime, and obviously the training is connected to this particular software. And obviously this inside the dashboard, as you can see, is green, whereby the inside of the dashboard for Delta is red. So that is the difference that I've noticed, and so I'm being honest on this review, and I'm pointing out that it's probably a product that was previously launched and is now being rehashed to be renamed and relaunched under the name of Delta. And obviously, hopefully, it has been improved on. So, you know, I think they should have done basically a better job of doing the demonstration video and have somebody do a voiceover to actually show you the power or potential of this particular product, because I don't think it really helps with the marketing of this product. So anyway, this is the messenger bot. Let's have a look and see what happens. There you've got, goes into bot settings for Instagram, and then you've got Facebook. Let's have a look. Yeah, you've got a Facebook poster. So then you've got all of these different sections here that you use for posting to Facebook. Then you've got this one. Let's see, Instagram tools, multimedia posts, hashtag searches, comment templates, reply templates, automate campaigns. And then you've got the WhatsApp section, again, WhatsApp campaign, multimedia post, WhatsApp contacts, WhatsApp group. So I've clicked through all the different connections here for this particular software, and guess what? Nothing has seemed to have disappeared. So that's a good sign. So you've got, you know, all of these options within this particular software. And like I say, this is how I have found Delta. And if you decide to pick up Delta, it's the first link in the description box below this video. And this is my review for today, and I'll catch you on the next video. So bye for now.